YouTube. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is, you know. You don't know my boy Jambisco back in the lab. Today we did that with none of that Nhance, the one named Hardwork. You see me I say, Nhance, let me say, yo, I've told you many times, Nhance been putting in the work, man. Really talented up and coming artist. You know, it's up and coming, I think can finally say get the boss now. But he's still young in the game. It's only been this is okay, Nhance second year now. You see me I say, so the dog still put in work, still more room to grow and thing. Yeah man, we're there with Nhance, one of them hard work. I check it out and see what dog I deal with. Now before much longer, let's get it. The backyard, the picnic days, zinc fence days, G's and P. High school suck. Who remember that? Why for that? Who remember suck? That what? 40 wait, what? 40 suck now? Jeez, please, my boy, I can't do it. Can get suck for $5 and $10, you know?
Sweet music. Yeah. Me used to ugly and broke, now me all grown up, so who give a fuck? Them used to say the youth did a cruff, now we know every boss of my music at home.
Easy, dog. Saying you used to ugly and broke, now you look I feel music. Go on, no man, start them.
Yeah. Me used to ugly and broke, now me all grown up, so who give a fuck? Them used to say the youth did a cruff, now we know every boss of my music at home.
Yes, man, you so ugly and now we all grown up. Who gives a damn? That's the past. You see me with the future now. You see me I say,
Did a cruff now, we know every boss of my music at home. Used to want sitting keeping on my scheme just for me go collect a free soup in a cup. Enough people use me as so.
Yo, you know, bro, coffee before you say you wait for sitting keep just here can get some free soup, some free food. Eh? You know how much money so bro them away upon 9 night and then thing that. Yo, dog, that's crazy, bro.
In a cup. Enough people use me as so. But me know where the youth did I go, yeah. Hard work for your and strong mind. Give me the power for me defeat all bad mind. Know me there in the Benz and the med span days.
Hard work straight and fad. Hard work for your and strong mind. Give you the power for shame all bad mind. Come on, man. You don't know if you're supposed to go shot for that. Come on, dog. Yes, man. Hey, yo. Hey, Nhance. Go on, through.
Hard work for your and strong mind. Give me the power for me defeat all bad mind. Know me there in the Benz and the med span days when me never have fear for your and time. But a time and God and time. You know how much time.
Time and God and time. That's a fact. Why?
And time, but a time and God and time. You know how much time is a dance mine.
Yes.
Lock to myself and I one dive. Nothing never go change. Yeah, now you see the Benz 𝐑𝐄𝐂 the one of me. Me under look fatter than Rosalie. Couple US in a pocket.
Oh, clown, you see that? Hey! Under fatter than Rosalie. Yo, that's rich.
Yeah, now you see the Benz 𝐑𝐄𝐂 the one of me. Me under look fatter than Rosalie. Couple US in a pocket and no counterfeit. Yeah. Tell mommy me not coming home until me get that money, oh. Feel life is sweeter than Oreo.
Yes, man. Tell mommy we not coming home till we get that money, oh. Yes, man. I say, yeah, I have to make sure mommy nice, you know, man. Yes, man. Come true.
Tell mommy me not coming home until me get that money, oh. Feel life is sweeter than Oreo. Talkless never make a hater studio. Tell mommy me not coming home until
talkless, no make a hater study, man. Yes, man. Don't make them figure out and two study, you see me? And figure out you move on and think and see.
Me get that money, oh. Feel life is sweeter than Oreo. Talkless never make a hater studio. Man go through hurt and enough pain, but me only firm and I complain. Man couldn't find food in enough days. Now the size I lobster bus scale. Uptown, downtown, you're lovely.
Go on, show.
Mommy house going upstairs. Millions in a bank and a chum chain. Fans are tear down your place and me touch stage. But tell Spain town and pound more. Me not so fun no more.
Go on, show. Nhance, dog. Nhance come far, you know? Yes, man, dog come far. Even from last year, dog has made big strides. Yes, me dog drop some bangers. Yo, dog doing it. He's slowly making up a wicked catalog of song. You see me what I'm saying?
My life change for sure. 260 on the beats and we outdoor. Tell mommy me not coming home until me get that money, yo. Feel life is sweeter than Oreo. Talk less, never make a hater study, yo. Tell mommy me not coming home until me get that money,
yo.
Feel life is sweeter than Oreo. Talk less, never make a hater study, yo. Tell mommy me not coming home until me get
that money, yo.
That money, yo. Feel life is sweeter than Oreo. Talk less, never make a hater
study, yo.
Study, yo. Never make a hater study, yo. Never make money, put on a bungalow.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Yeah, man. Nhance, I do him thing, you know, man. Big up Nhance. It's a good look, gang. It's a good look. It's a good look. That I say, Nhance is very talented. You see me, I say, and he's made significant strides since he's got his little break. You see me, I say, I think this is like his second year he's going into since he's actually got that little, you know what I'm saying? I get the little energy I look in. So big up him, man. He's been slowly, dog. Like even last year, the dog dropped some mad tune. Well, late last year, Nhance really get the bus. I think late last year, really started getting the bus like mid last year, you know. So this kind of mid last year, dog still in first year, man. Technically, until summertime, though. Yeah, man. But dog still big up a catalog at tune them, man. You know, I'm like, Unstress, Hardwork, Time on God. Is it like dog? I big up a wicked catalog. Shout out to Nhance, man. Is it me? I say you don't know, gang. Yeah. So if you like it, go show the artist all over and support. Make you know said dancing. Let me know what your favorite part was in the comment section. Also drop your request so you can get your shout out, man. You see me? I'm dropping hella bangers for you guys. You don't know, road to 10K. So you like and subscribe button. You don't know, gang. We're only 1,500 away. We can make it happen. You see me? I say so. Yeah, man, gang. Let me know anything in the comment section. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.